Started kisses every wire in the room. The speakers breathe before I do. 317, the city sleeps. The ceiling stays awake with me. The monitor is painting constellations on my face, like heaven running pixels just to watch another take. My microphone's a lighthouse with a ball that learned to drown. Still calling ships of broken thoughts that never touch the ground. I stitched them all from the pockets of forgotten nights. Wore a failure like a tailored coat that somehow fit just right. The room's a quiet ocean folded neatly into walls, where every wave is made of words too heavy just to fall. The mirror keeps a second mouth and mouths what I won't say. A courtroom made of fingerprints that never look away. I plant my voice in empty soil beneath fluorescent rain, and pray the roots remember songs before they learn my name. If silence is a kingdom, then I've been crowned alone. If echoes are my children, they'll someday lead me home. Static in the bloodstream, lightning in disguise. Every broken frequency still reaches for the sky. I'm a candle underwater, learning how to burn. Even shattered satellites still nowhere to return. Static in my headphones, halo made of snow. Every missing piece of me still finds a way to glow. My notebook is a cemetery blooming in the spring. Every page a little ghost that never stopped to sing. The clock is chewing minutes like the cigarettes in rain, leaving little skeletons of moments in my veins. I borrowed down from windows that forgot to face the east. Fed my hungry dreams with crumbs abandoned by belief. My heartbeat wears a metronome stitched underneath the skin, keeping time with storms nobody else has ever been. The cables crawl like ivy through the ribs beneath the desk, wrapping every promise that refused to come to rest. I taught my shadows harmony because they never judge. They only dance beside me when the daylight doesn't budge. Maybe stars are only scars and I decided not to hide. Maybe songs are folded birds waiting for a hand to rise. Maybe every breath I waste becomes a planet somewhere else. Maybe every silent room is only heaven holding its breath. Static in the bloodstream, fire just as rain. Every fractured melody still whispers through the pain. I am paper made of thunder, ink becoming light. If tomorrow never finds me, I'll still ride into the night. Static isn't silence, it's the universe rehearsing. Every soul begins as noise before it becomes a story. The room exhales, the screen fades black. Somewhere beneath the static, something finally answered.